Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So, having made the fireplace poker, which works really well, it's time to work on the rest of the set. And so I've got another one of those long wrought iron bolts. Unfortunately, this one, I don't know if you can see it, has a small hacksaw cut in it. Might just leave that alone, or just upset it a little bit there and get that area up to welding heat and see if I can't blend it out. Being as it's not a high load part, it's not going to matter much. I've got a short section, which I think at one stage was probably close to the same length. May have used the other end for something. This will become the handle for a small broom if I can find one. This will become the shovel. I have some sheet metal. It's probably about 0.75 mil, or what's that, 1/32-ish millimeters thick. Salvaged old satellite dish somebody was turfing out. So that's the profile I'm going for. It's a bit small, but I need to be able to fit it inside the gas forge for annealing and whatnot. I could probably trim this down a little bit to make it easier to fit in the forge. And I'm going to use my Holdfast as a forming tool to get the radius. So let's get things hot and let's have some fun. Out of the way. Okay. We may just have to work it and see what we get. Initially, it is going to be a bit messy. So, yes, and we will get those kinks out. It's easier if you've got an actual ring about this size, but all I've got is got really sharp corners. the hot air. Alright, I'm going to work on the long sides just for a moment to give it a bit more rigidity. So I'll be doing that out here. Wrong way! I will be trimming this down to size. This just helps me fold this up. Whew! Have I got that rolled or not? Being a prototype now. Okay. So that is essentially where I'm going to leave that until I've had a go at trimming it a bit. It's a bit skew-if, but I'll trim that. And then all I have to do, make up the handle piece. So, just leave this to cool off. Okay, we've got it fluxed. It's pretty much closed up. So we'll get it up to welding heat and see if we can't just blend it out. Started. Gonna get a bit too cold. I'm just making some round stock. Which I'm hoping is about 6 millimeters. Pretty close to it, because I can't find my butcher. That's going to be the side against it, reasonably straight. So I need to make that have a bit of a curve to it. Okay, so trouble. The rivets are absolutely atrocious. I'd forgotten how difficult it is to actually rivet wrought iron as a rivet material. It's a real pain in the butt. Kind of wish I'd gone with mild steel, but anyway, I am where I am. They match in length, pretty much. So yeah, I'm happy. I've got the shank piece for the broom made up. Hopefully I can find a broom that's in the right length category. Might be able to draw it out a little bit up here to get a couple of centimetres if I need it. Unfortunately this one is just a hair thinner than the others, but you'd be hard pressed to notice. So that's what I'm leaving off. If you've enjoyed, feel free to give me a thumbs up, share it on social media, comment. Yeah. So get out to your shop, push your envelope a little bit. It's been a long time since I did any sheet metal work. But above all, stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.